So guys, again we come with another informative video also. So today we will make this our beetle gourd or karela in easy steps. So for this we already took all this ingredient you seeing this. So for example we already took this beetle gourd, so and tomato, onion, and this little coriander for garnish, green chili, and this ginger garlic paste, and spices we took already, like red chili 1 spoon, this turmeric powder half a spoon, salt to taste, black pepper half a spoon, and this amchur powder this will take half a spoon, and this coriander powder 1 spoon, and this our tomato paste little, okay, and in like this fennel seed and also this cumin seed, oil, and this all utensils you seeing this, like we have to take this. We will first what we will do, first we have to slice our this beetle gourd, because this is beetle, so that's we have to first put a little salt, and this we'll slice first, and then we will put salt and little turmeric, and we will put 15 to 20 minutes like so. Water will remove, I will show you. Then we will fry here, and then we will make our gravy here. Then we will put this our beetle gourd here, okay. First we have to fry this is, so we need all this ingredient like this utensils and also this all this thing. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last, you will find how you will make in easy steps. So let's start. And if you are new on this channel or still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and tell to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative videos which we upload daily. So please subscribe and share to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So let's start now. So first we have to slice our this beetle gourd. So I already this slice it, and also put little salt and the turmeric. I have to mix this, and put till 15 to 20 minutes or half hour. So this will be bitterness will be go from here, okay. So you just mix like this with salt and little turmeric, because you will put till half hour. So this will water will be come this down, and this bitterness will go from this, okay. And here I already slice our onion and this tomato. So we will make gravy, and then we will fry first this, or we have to see, I will show you after half hour this water will go down, and this bitterness will be go from this beetle gourd, okay. So we have to put for this half hour like this, okay. I already put salt and turmeric powder like this. You just after half hour I see this our beetle gourd. See, this is already water come. So you just remove the water from here. See, this is already water removed from this our beetle gourd. So we have to remove this another bowl like this. You can remove this the water, because this have this bitterness. So you just remove another bowl, okay. Here you just put, see the water. So this is the bitterness came by this like this. So the purpose of this put salt and turmeric is this bitterness will go from this beetle gourd, okay. So you just put here in another bowl, okay. Have to dry this, okay, dry, okay. Just see the water already this how much water is come from this, okay. See, so you just remove this and have to dry this one. Now I took this another 2 pan. Here we will make our gravy, and here we will fry our this beetle gourd. I already took oil. So when this will heat, I will put here, okay. So now our oil already heated. You just put this fennel seed and cumin seed here, okay. Then I put our onion here, okay, and have to mix our onion with this cumin seed and fennel seed, okay. And have to put 3 to 4 minutes, and we will add ginger garlic paste here, okay. So now 3 to 4 minutes finished. We just add this our ginger garlic paste, okay, little. You just add 2 spoons like this, okay. Have to mix. Again 3 to 4 minutes, then we will add all spices here, okay. And here our oil already heated, so we will put our this beetle gourd here we will fry. Okay, on low fire you just put your beetle gourd. So on low flame you just fry your this beetle gourd here. Okay, when color will change I will show you. Okay, so you have to fry your beetle gourd. When this will be ready, so we will transfer this in our gravy. Okay, we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. This will be ready after. Okay, so I put all spices also here. So now we have to mix, and then again 3 to 4 minutes, then we will add our tomato. Okay, so we have to cook 3-4 minutes again, and here our beetle gourd only frying now. Okay, so when this will be ready, so we will put here. So now 3 to 4 minutes finished, we just add our tomato also here and put little water. Have to cook again 3 to 4 minutes, and we add water here. Okay, little, not too much, only little. So we just add little water also here, not too much, only just to put our gravy, cooked gravy. Okay. So now I cover this. We have to cook our gravy. Okay, so when this will be ready, we will put our beetle gourd here. Okay, so beetle gourd also frying now. So we have to wait 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will add our our beetle gourd here. Okay, so now our this beetle gourd also ready. So we have to check our gravy. So gravy also is ready. Wow, see, there's water already removed from here. You just see the gravy also cooked. So we have to this transfer here our this beetle gourd. So you just take from like by strainer, strain this like this you can put here, and we have to put 5 to 10 minutes here this our beetle gourd. So we have to remove by this spoon like this. Okay, and have to transfer here. Okay, and have to cook again 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I already transferred this our beetle gourd here and have to cook in this gravy more 5 to 10 minutes. Little water put and have to cook again this. Okay, and after maybe 10 minutes this will be ready. Okay, so I just put little water also. So we cover this, and 5 to 10 minutes we have to cook here. Then we will add our this tomato paste here. Okay, so now this 10 minutes finished. We have to check now this our beetle gourd. Oh wow, this is already done. So we just add little our tomato paste. Okay, little tomato paste you just put, and have to cook again 5 minutes to give our thickness to our gravy. Okay, so this is already done. So you just put like this. Okay, see, so again 5 minutes we have to cook, and this will be ready. Okay, cover and 5 minutes cook. So now 5 minutes finished. We have to check again our this gravy. Oh wow, so this is already ready now. So now this is ready to serve. So we have to serve with paratha or rice or whatever you can eat with any rice. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box, and I will serve now. I will show you how you will serve this. Okay, so see our this beetle gourd gravy already ready now. So and you can garnish with green coriander, fresh green coriander. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need videos. And if you still new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Tell to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.